Okay, so how do you tell an acid from a base just by looking at them? I've got 8 different formulas up here, and how do you tell them apart? Well, with acids, they almost always have an H in the front. Just an H by itself. H, that's an acid. That's nitric acid. That stuff is really bad news. Don't touch it. Hydrochloric acid, that's your stomach acid, and here is sulfuric acid. The fact they have 2 H's in the front, that just means they have 2 hydrogen that can break off and create hydronium in water. Now, by the way, one of the things you'll notice is a couple of these, the F, the chlorine, those are halogens, way over on the right side of the periodic table. But not all acids have those, but that's, if you're not sure, that's another thing you can look for. Now, how do you know if it's a base? Well, bases, a liquid's a base when it has an excess of hydroxide. Hydroxide's OH. You can see here an OH. OH, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. In this case, it doesn't have one OH, it has actually 2 OHs. 2 OHs. Now, by the way, bases are oftentimes referred to as alkali. Notice sodium, potassium. Those are alkali metals. Calcium is an alkali earth metal. So a lot of the times you're going to see a metal involved in a base, and usually an alkali or alkali earth metal involved in the base. So if you're not quite sure, you got to see an OH, but you're not quite sure, the presence of those alkali metals are a good sign that you're going to be dealing with an alkali. Well, when you put it in water, it'll be an alkali, and that's a good sign that what you're looking at is a base. So H is for acids, OH is for bases, but there's other things you can look for. And, there's a whole bunch of things we never even talked about, but this covers a lot of acids and bases, and you should be able to spot them pretty easily. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.